Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about these full carbon construction turbo inlet tubes from PPE for your Duramax. Now these things are really brittle and prone to cracking over time, so what that's going to do is it's going to give you loss of airflow, which then is going to give you loss of power. These are going to eliminate your restrictive resonator that comes from the factory and get your truck breathing way better. We've got them for multiple year, make, and models here. We've got the LLY, we've got the early L5P and the late L5P, and we've got forged and we've got Twill Weaved. As you can see, we got everything laid out on the table. It comes with everything you need to install. We've got couplers, we've got clamps, and you get an awesome sticker from PPE. If you're looking to get some performance gains out of your truck and you want it to look awesome at the same time, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com and snag you one of these bad boys.